Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you something that is very important before we start our data analysis in Excel or SPSS. When we work with data, we cannot directly start analysis. We need to understand what type of data we are dealing with, and that is where levels of measurement becomes very important. Now, before doing any analysis in SPSS, we import data from Excel, fill in the data, and define variables correctly. But one critical step is often ignored: identifying the level of measurement of each variable, because SPSS treats data differently based on whether it is nominal, ordinal, interval, or ratio. If we don't define this correctly, our results can be misleading. Now, let us briefly discuss the four levels of measurement. First, let us understand nominal level. It is just labels or categories. There is no order or no ranking. For example, gender, blood group, department. In this level, you can do only specific analysis, like you can count frequencies, you can find mode, or you can use charts like pie charts or bar charts. Now, let us understand what is ordinal level. This level introduces order but not equal differences, meaning the data can be ranked, but differences between ranks are unknown. There is no true numerical distance. For example, class position. You can rank first, second, third, but the difference between their numbers may not be equal, and you can only do ranking based analysis on this level. Now, moving on to interval level. What is it? The interval level of measurement is a quantitative scale in which observations are ordered. The differences between values are equal and meaningful. However, there is no true 0 point, meaning it does not consider 0 as a real value. For example, temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit, calendar years, and IQ scores are examples of interval data. The difference between the values is equal, but 0 does not mean nothing. Now, moving on to ratio level. The ratio level of measurement is the highest level, where data have order, equal differences, and a true 0 point. Because of this true 0, we can make meaningful comparisons, such as twice or half, and we can use all types of mathematical and statistical analysis. Example of ratio data include income, age, height, weight, and time duration.